Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today I'm back with another video, and it's about how to remove background of your picture. I've already made a video about it, and I've also discovered a new trick for you that will make everything easy. The other one is good. This one that I'm going to do is also very good, so you decide on which of them to use. So we'll be using our browser, any of the browser that you use, either Firefox or Google Chrome or Opera Mini or Safari, any browser that you use. You open it, then you type in this website. Before I type in the website, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share to your friends so that they can also benefit from things that I'm teaching here. So let's continue. You type in this website, remover.ai. You type in this website. Let's see how it opens. So you see it has opened. And this is how the interface of the website is. It's a background remover. It was made to remove backgrounds of pictures. So basically, this is how the interface of the website looks like. So to remove the background, you come to where there's a dialog box there. You click on choose a photo, then it will open your file explorer. So you go to where the pictures are, where you want the picture that you want to remove the background. So this is one of my pictures, and let's take for instance, I want to remove this background of this picture. So it will process it in some few seconds. You will see it will open and it will remove the background. You can see it has removed in some 2 to 3 seconds. It has done it. So that's it. So you afterwards you download it in high quality or in a normal quality. You download it. You just click on the download. It will download. So that's it. So you see it has removed the background. You can see that so you can use this picture for whatever that you want. It has removed the background in some few seconds, 4 seconds also. So for this website we have a free version, the monthly version, the subscription you can subscribe to it and you pay, but it comes with some benefits. But you can try the free versions. No need signing up and doing anything. You just come to the website, you remove the background, you download, and you leave and use the picture for whatever that you want to do. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more contents like this, and please share to your friends so that they can also come and watch the videos and learn something from it. Thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye.